Hey guys, how we doing? I thought we'd nip on and do a wee quick-ish video. I was watching YouTube and I was watching gardeners that I watch all the time, and one of them mentioned that horse manure could have a herbicide in it that would prevent growth of your plants. I can't remember the name of it. Anyway, I've decided to do a test. He suggested that you do a test. So I've decided to do a test. This is beans, green beans. And coming up. This is peas and this is peas. Now this is peas done in the same compost as this. And this is peas done in a potting mix that's got, basically it's cocoa and vermiculite added together. So far, do these look alright? I mean, what do you think? Should I wait a bit longer? That's the reason I've done one with the compost and one without the compost, to see if there's a difference. I've got the heat on in this propagator, and I've got my lights on. Now the lights are, I'll tell you the lights are 35 watt, but no, they're 40 watt, but I've only got one side on, so that's 20 watt. And this, at the bit I looked at before I switched it on, is 13 watt. And I'll show you a website that can calculate how much you're burning and whatever. Anyway, back in a minute. Hi guys, I'm back. This is how I work out how much energy I'm using. It's a website called Sustit. And you can come in here and you can pick any of, your showers, heaters, thermostats, kettles, blah blah blah, or you can pick on washing machines, and it'll tell you, if you get the same make as yours, it'll tell you how much you're burning. Anyway, this is the part I use. It's the energy calculator. Now, if you look at the bottom here, it says calculated using the UK Energy Price Guarantee, October 2022, electricity rate of 34 pence per kilowatt hour. Now I'm using 20 watt on my light and 15 watt on my heater, so that is 35 watts. Okay, and I'm using it for 24 hours. And as you can see, 35 watts at 24 hours is 28.56 pence a day, which works out to be £2.10 a week. But the light that I'm using is only on for 8 hours a day. So let's work that out. Okay, let's work it out. So my heater is 15 watts. So it costs me 12.24 pence a day for 24 hours. So let's say 12 pence. And the light is 20 watts. And I'm using that for 8 hours a day. So it's costing me 5 pence an hour. Okay, we'll say it's a wee bit better. We'll go 6 pence and 13 pence, so it's 19 pence a day. Well, sorry about that. How do I get rid of this? Okay, so 6 pence, 13 pence, is 19 pence a day times 7. So it's working out to be a £1.40 a week, roughly, to run my heated propagator and the light. So personally, I think I can live with that, knowing that I'm not going to destroy every plant I put in the compost. So if any of you have had any problem with compost, let me know. This is homemade garden compost that I'm using. It's not purchased compost. But there was horse manure in it. So I'm now a bit worried. So if you think that the beans will look okay, please let me know. And use this calculator to work out how much your energy's costing you. Susta is the website. And again, thanks for watching. Okay, bye now.